This is Crisp Cake from China, our company located in Cixi City. And today I will recommend you some easy to use and good looking some dessert cup for you. And we also have many kinds of bottles and jars. Now today just I will introduce some dessert cup for you. And you can see this is our 100 ml dessert cup. You can see the shape is unique. You can see, and then you can see the cap. Cap is soft. It can match the body. This is soft, but this is strong. You can see this strong. And you can put the fruit slices. And there you can see the cakes, the double skim the milk. You can fill in here. This is clear, so you can see every layer of the cakes. It's very clear. And you can see the cap. This cap is clear, so when you can see everything from here and here and here, every side. And you can see also we can put the label on it.